Welcome to my channel, My Healthy Options. Here I am making black gram laddu. Laddu is an Indian term meaning balls of sweet snacks or sweet balls. This is a very nutritious dish. Black gram contains protein and high amount of fiber. It also has got copper, zinc, potassium, calcium, iron and so many other health benefits. So here I am roasting some flax seeds. Flax seeds contain fiber. It is good for heart health and lowering cholesterol and high blood pressure. So I have taken about 100 grams of flax seeds and I am roasting it till it starts to flutter. This black gram laddu, taken one a day, helps in overall health, giving all the proteins that is needed. These are usually given to young girls. It is also beneficial for overall women's health. It is also good for anemic patients and patients having a poor health. This is also good for your skin and hair and your immune system. So for this I have taken some flax seeds which I am roasting. I have used jaggery, so you can use dates or palm sugar instead of that. So I have used jaggery here. And for nuts I have only used cashews. So you can include all other nuts too, like almonds, walnut, whatever you have. Making 1 kg of urad daal's laddu. I have taken 1 kg of urad dal, so about 100 grams of flax seeds, and also I am using roasted chickpea or Bengal gram. That has also got nutritious value. It is high in proteins and fiber. And the roasted Bengal gram with jaggery is a superfood. Altogether, this laddu or the snack makes a superfood. Still roasting it. And roasting it on a low flame. You need to roast this in a flat pan. It's got a thick bottom, heavy bottom. so it doesn't burn. So this takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Here I am having roasted Bengal gram, just 2 teaspoons, only a little amount. These laddus are given to young girls when they attain puberty. It's also good for overall uterus health and also it causes milk production in pregnant ladies. Just delivered. I'm also adding a little, about 1 teaspoon of cardamoms for flavor. I'm roasting it all together. It's a very simple recipe. You just have to roast all the ingredients and then powder it and mix it with jaggery and make the balls or laddus. I'm doing all this at a very low flame. Here I have taken rice, raw rice, about 50 grams. That is also being roasted. So all these ingredients need to be roasted separately because each one has a different time to get roasted. Here I have taken Sona Masuri rice. That's a type of rice in India. Raw rice. You can take any rice. Rice is being added for the binding that is needed to make the balls. You need to roast the rice till it attains a light brown color. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes on a low flame. This snack is made in every Tamil home, and also we make kanji or porridge in almost a week. Almost once a week in every Tamil household. It is very good for hip pain, joint pains, back pain and all. So if someone is having back pain or hip pain or weakness in the hip region, you can make porridge or just flavored rice with the black gram and give it to them. So here I have taken almost 1 kg of black gram, that is the gram with the skin. Washed it nicely and I am roasting it now. You need to wash them first, remove all the dirt. And this also has to be roasted till it changes color or it gives an aroma. Roasted black gram gives a very good aroma. These laddus I am making for my husband, who is going to a different city. So I am making about 30 laddus for him. Take. This black gram laddu also is good to remove all the weaknesses in the body pain, etc. This is a very traditional Tamil dish, very often used in almost all Tamil households. It has been used and made for centuries now. We also make a special type of rice with this black gram. We use black gram, rice, coconut, we can also make it sweet or salty. You can use jaggery for the sweetness, or else we can use it as plain rice dish with some chutney. It is good to take this black gram dish once in a week. It is good for all those who are doing heavy work in the field or anywhere else, those who are suffering from back pain. Roasting black gram takes a little more time. We have to do it on a low flame. We need patience for that. So never do it in a high flame. It has to be roasted evenly. So please do it very patiently. When any of you are making any other dishes other than the ones I have mentioned, you can comment it. Let me also know and I can learn it from you. Any traditional dishes, whichever you know, share it with me. washed it earlier, it will take a little bit more time. You cannot leave it on the pan and go elsewhere to do something else. You have to stand with it and keep on stirring it. I can smell the aroma now, just starting, with little more to be done. After that I'll powder it using a grinder. The powder need not to be very fine. It has to be a coarse powder. Few more minutes and now it is done. You can see the color, it is slightly become brownish. When it is fully roasted, it gives a very good aroma. The kitchen is filled with the aroma now. Just a few more minutes. That is done. Here I have taken the powdered black gram, mixed it with crushed jaggery, about 200 grams, and some broken cashew pieces. I am going to make the laddus. I have taken some hot melted ghee, which I am adding to the powder, and started to make this laddus. You can see the laddus made by me. It is soft now. And as the time goes by, it will become harder, and you can store it even for 2-3 months. It won't go bad. You can have it daily, one at a time, 1 or 2, any way you like it. So I hope this video was useful for you and you got some information about this snack. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.